Hey, I'm Rob Gordy at Rob's Unreal Travel, and you landed on this channel probably because you're looking for a better lifestyle for a lot less money, because that's what I did. So I'm going to let you know about my experiences where I've been traveling across the world, paying much less and living an extraordinary lifestyle and having an awesome time. I'm going to share my experiences with you, and maybe you'll find a perfect spot for yourself that you'll want to see next. I'm currently in Nicaragua. I used to live in Canada. I got sick of paying high rent, high cost of food, high everything. And so I decided to travel. I went to Bali for a while, did Indonesia, across to Thailand, Philippines. Now I'm here and I'm going to be sharing my experiences with you as I travel through Central America. In each video, I go into detail about the surfing, the lifestyle, the cost of housing, the cost of living, the cost of food, what's it like to live in the country, what are the people like, what's the culture like, and is it a great lifestyle? I am big into surfing as well, so I also talk about surfing on my channel. And if you're interested in earning money while you travel, I also share my experience on how I earn money while I travel, and that might be something. There's a bunch of side hustles you can try to earn income online while you're traveling. So with that said, thanks for coming to the channel. Nice meeting you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, just click on either Philippines, Bali, Thailand, or Nicaragua, or one of the other playlists I mentioned to get started. All right, talk to you later.